From landing at Tilbury Docks in 1948, ready to help rebuild Britain after the war, to continuing to build London's vibrant culture today. Because we didn't just bring our suitcases, we brought our dreams and aspirations, brought our pride, and the strength and resilience needed to constantly overcome discrimination. With a steely determination, we built communities brimming with inspirational teachers, passionate entrepreneurs, nurses, doctors, and more. We built our own little piece of the Caribbean to our passion for music, from soul, calypso, reggae, which influenced so many. Family recipes passed down the generations, which still make Londoners' taste buds dance today. The original Windrush generation paved the way for future migration and brought a special something to London that makes it like no other city in the world. And all the generations to come, they're going to keep building the London we all know and love for many years. This is the Windrush Journey.